Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in the community of Caldwell, which is located still outside of Houston in Roche Sharon. Now this community is located in Fort Bend County and not Brazoria County. And why does that matter? It matters because Brazoria County requires its residents to have additional insurance for wind and hail damage. And as you can see, it's very windy out here. But if you purchase in this community, you don't have to worry about buying that additional coverage. Now, this builder is D.R. Horton, and this entire community is a D.R. Horton community. They have at least 7 one-story floor plans and 3 two-story floor plans. The floor plan sizes are from 1,600 all the way up to 2,500. So the home that we are going to see today, it is called the Kingston. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and it has a two-car garage, and it is a little over 2,000 square feet. Now the starting price is a little over $330,000. But first, I'm going to take you on a quick tour to show you what amenities this D.R. Horton community is providing to its residents. Also, in case you don't know, my name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Make sure you do subscribe, like, and hit that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. So let's go ahead and take a tour. Oh, by the way, that big building you're going to see that's inside this community, that is a high school. So yes, everything is bigger in Texas. The high school will be ready for enrollment fall of 2023. So currently, everyone that lives in this community, they are zoned to the Fort Bend ISD schools located in the Sienna Plantation community that is right across the street. So let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful community and then this beautiful house behind me. I am back. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home in Caldwell, which is a DR Horton community. Now, this model is called the Kingston, and it is located in Roche Sharon. Now, if you say, you know what, I love this home, but I don't want to be in Roche Sharon, I want to be somewhere else. The good thing about DR Horton, they build all over Houston and in the Metroplex. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not done so and you want to be notified of new tours, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of tours weekly. You all have a wonderful and blessed